This is the Amazon Kindle, one of the most popular e-readers on the market. I've been using it for a little while now, and I have used many other e-readers in the past. In this video, I'll dive into everything you need to know about it and how it compares to other Kindles. Inside the box, you'll find the Kindle itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. Setting this up was really simple. It only took me a few minutes. First, turn on the device by pressing the power button located on the bottom. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and register or sign in to your Amazon account. Once set up, this device is incredibly easy to use. Pressing the home button takes me back to my library, while swiping left or right turns the pages. Swiping down from the top opens the display and network settings, where I can adjust the brightness and change the screen warmth. I love how lightweight this device is. It's just under half a pound, 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, and less than half an inch thick. This makes the device not only incredibly portable, but also really comfortable for long reading sessions. It also comes in 2 different colors for you to choose from. I use this daily, sometimes for hours at a time, both indoors and outdoors. Its glare-free display, which truly resembles real paper, makes reading effortless and convenient. It can hold thousands of books with its standard 16 gigabytes of storage, which is slightly less than the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition and other Kindles, but still plenty. While I've loved using this daily, compared to other Kindles like the Kindle Paperwhite, its battery life is shorter. It lasts up to 6 weeks on a single charge, whereas others can last between 8 and 12 weeks. This Kindle isn't waterproof, like the Kindle Colorsoft or Kindle Scribe, but on the other side, this is the smallest Kindle on the market right now, with a 6-inch display compared to the 7-inch of other models or the 10-inch Kindle Scribe. I think it's perfect for those who want a great all-around experience without paying a premium for a slightly bigger screen or minor upgrades. The Amazon Kindle is a fantastic e-reader for both casual readers and avid bookworms, delivering an immersive and well-rounded reading experience that I truly enjoyed. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a new Kindle.